Madeline. Got your pretty toes? Oh, you gotta show us your new moves. Lay those feet down. Is that funny? Where you going? Bye-bye. Where's your toes? There they are. Those pretty feet. Madeline. Madeline. Gonna roll away? Gonna roll away? Hey. Hello. Those pink cheeks. Those pink cheeks. I think they look worse because your sheets are pink. Hello. Hello.